In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and today I would like to show you how you can check specifications of this Sony. Many of you ask me in the comments which app I'm using to check specifications of smartphones I'm testing. So today I will show you exactly that. First of all, you need to open Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck and get this free app from Flare to Developer, DevCheck device and system info. When it's ready, launch it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard. You can also click on all of those categories separately to find out even more. Hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video,